We did a lot of framing, a lot of fun stuff together, and had a lot of good time.
Some things that we did in this house is we had to make sure the door was leveled. First things first, we had to put up the windows. We had to build the support for this house to make sure it can actually support a person living in and out the house.
The skills that I learned was like just basic, like how to use power tools and like how to use them safely.
And then you kind of learn like how to work together as a group and learn how to work with people in the aspect of like a working environment. So for us to have this opportunity is very good.
It really teaches you new aspects of working together as a team and really focusing on like building your skill set as you progress through this class, which is a good thing.
Basically, all the power tools we use in here we'll use out there. I feel like it sets us up for the work market. This year we read more blueprints, we seen what we needed to do, and we executed it better.
A lot of cooperation, a lot of learning, and it was a great year, and we're glad we have finished one, and hopefully the next year's students can finish at least one, hopefully two.
If I didn't have this program, I wouldn't know what I would be doing with my life.
You get to help the community, and you get to enjoy like seeing other people enjoy what you make, and like really just helping other people who are less fortunate or have unfortunate circumstances to really have a new start, a new beginning.